Jotono kolomka sari kaham kaisa video khayan bai ma phikya video ni main reason ba the main issue abongkha kaisa apps tongo kotum hnai a kotum apps ni through tei miani simi chino YTF Youth Tripura Federation o youth ni je membership nai tong hnai kaisa spread ung tongakya amoni yagulo a apps kutumbo kadonga borok bo already member nai paijak angko kaisa kazana musungu actually abo sung je dino sini apps nai sini final apps nai sunga dino sini YTF Youth Tripura Federation ni official page sini social media tongo eba sung YouTube ni through tei eba je kun social media through sung abo declare khairnai nindorok membership nai manu hnai actually obo jetabo ung tongmani obo ekta trial version si trial choli tongo abagi ang request khayo jara membership naka to naka tai o jaga membership ta nadi jeng taw trial choli tongo je fru officially jeng announce khainai aboni ya gulono jeng membership nanani ba jara membership nanamu sungo bor nai manai abagi ang a video through request khaimu sungo bises khai ani Tripura joni sini sikla takuk songno jara membership nana musungnai eba je already nai paikya obot just ek trial version si abno tui nara kun confuse tangdi a jaga tai membership nana kun proyojon kariku abo ek trial choli tongo bomte yung jeng abon ya gulo je fru jeng confirm khai jeng je fru news circulate khainai abon ya gulo norok membership nadi amsis ko kasarinyo a request khayo haino hai norok je mansa video share khailegi jara saimia ko bongo sadi je membership nama to nakha abon ya gulo next membership ta nadi ko jeng officially announce khainai announce khamai ya gulo no norok nai manai membership